Daikin's premium split system is the US7, which has 7-star rating. Why are stars important? Because it tells you the efficiency of the product. The higher number of stars, the more efficient it is. The US7 is the only product in Australia that has the 7-star rating. The 7-star rating is important because it's all about energy efficiency, so it's going to save you money on electricity bills. It can dehumidify and humidify, which is the only system that can do that on the market.
The US7, with its unique dehumidification technology, has the ability to precisely control the indoor heat exchanger, thereby not compromising on your comfort as it removes moisture from the air. It does this also more energy efficiently than conventional systems, thereby keeping your power bills low.
So we've got a humidity sensor built into the indoor unit, and the outdoor unit has a special humidifying assembly which actually makes humidity from the outdoor air. So there's no need for a water supply or anything like that. So that's very beneficial also for people potentially with respiratory problems, but of course great for all of us.
One great advantage is the new R32 refrigerant. It's a new generation which delivers efficiency and also reduces the impact on our global environment.
It also has a self-cleaning mechanism which allows the system to automatically clean the filter and therefore keep the system running at an optimal level at all times.
You can control it through the D-Mobile app, so through Wi-Fi connection. It also has the intelligent eye, so it will pick up on movement in the space and change set point depending if there's occupants in the space.
The air purifier that's also built into the indoor unit uses flash streamer technology, and it's able to kill bacteria, viruses.
In cooling operations, the discharge louver on the US7 has been designed to stream air upwards towards the ceiling and create a circulatory air motion. Through this effect, your room cools rapidly with even temperatures throughout the occupied space.
So the US7, with its 7-star rating and all of the advantages, means it's the leading product in its field.